Step four is clean your list. So obviously, when you're building your list, you are bound to make some mistakes. Maybe you might have a typo. Maybe you accidentally pasted the same email twice into a different row. Things like that can happen. So here are a few specific steps that you want to do. So number one, obviously, dedupe. Dedupe is remove any duplicate entries that you have. Maybe you accidentally had the same company twice or the same contact. Number two, you want to verify those emails because maybe, like I mentioned before, there was a typo in the email, or maybe the person has actually already left the organization. So make sure you put it through an email checker just to verify it's a valid email. And then you want to check and tidy up your first name column as well. For example, if you know that this type of clients prefer to be addressed informally, if their first name is, let's say, Christopher, you might abbreviate it to Chris. Same goes for company name as well. So if the company name is like ABC Company Ltd, you may just say, I found ABC instead of I found ABC Company Ltd, right? So you might remove some of the suffixes. A quick tool that you can use if you're using Google Sheets is this one called AbleBits. It allows you to do things like remove leading and trading spaces, remove those prefixes or suffixes, and you can customize. You can have it like remove .llc, .llp, those kind of things. And yeah, it just makes it a lot faster. If you use Excel, it's already built in. There are a lot of functions like this that you can do right away. For checking emails, there are a whole bunch of different tools and I'll post them out there. But one of my personal favorite is this one, bulk email checker. So that just ensures that the email that you're about to send to is going to go to a valid email address. Because if you send too many emails and they end up bouncing because those email addresses are not valid, then it can affect your deliverability of your mailing server. And that will cause more of your emails to go to spam. So be careful about that.